So this is the main building we came from, and then here are the 5 villas. はい、行きましょう. And according to Mr. Wakatabe, so the main building was a Kominka, an old house relocated from Tochigi Prefecture, but these villas are from Aizuwakamatsu in Fukushima Prefecture, and carefully and lovingly restored. So you have a detached housing that's authentic, but also modernized for the modern person's comfort. 面白いね. So our room is at the far end. And so when we arrived, we parked our car right up in front of the main building, and then they brought it to in front of the building we are staying in. So this is how Mr. Wakatabe is graciously holding my tripod. どこに連れて行かれてるんだ。ここです。へえ、こっちからじゃないの。あ、こっちじゃなくてこっちなんだ。2つ部屋あるのね、ここ。へえ。Okay, so this is the entrance. Right?
お部屋の名前クーです。
クーレ。
はい、クー。
クー。
空と書いて。
Oh, so the room name is Ku, which is the character denotes the sky. Okay. It's a little dark today. Right. この部屋とりあえず全部もう電気ついてるのかな。つけてから動画したか、はい、これがそうなのかな。あ、これまた面白いね。お邪魔します。はい、So there's slippers, some more artistic work. メゾネットスタイルね、2階建ての。So this is a 2-story maisonette style room. This is the highest category room unless you rent out. There's another room that you can combine 2 rooms into one. But they only allow it for guests of 3 people or more. And we are not. So this is a coup for as a single unit. This is the highest end property. あ、じゃあ、案内して。え？ Oh, okay. So this is gensen kakenagashi ですよね。So it's straight from the source, never recirculated. あ、ここだ。え、ここ。And yeah, you can smell it. They pull it from their own spring source. SHIGUCHI does. Not too far away. So it's piped in. Wow, it's open air, but they have a screen door, which is nice. And then you can hear the rustling of the feathers and the in the stream below. Okay. All right, so here's the main living area. This is a dining table. There are some people who do have extended stage here. So they have a little kitchenette with a sink and a electric stove and a full-size refrigerator, all the cutlery, the pantry area. But again, from this room, you can see the valley and the river down below. Another view of the main living area and the onsen. Actually, I did not show I did not even see the bathing area. So this is the sink. And then this is the shower. It's modern. Okay. And all the towels and amenities are here. Okay. There's another onsen. これ3階なの ?2 階なの
そうですね。下に温泉があります。
上は何があるんですか？
上は和室があります。
だから3階あるんですよね、この部屋。So this room has 3 stories. じゃあ、とりあえず、Mr. Wakatabe says there's another onsen downstairs. So this is 3 floors total. 2つもあるっていうことは、また違う値打ちがあるっていうことですよね。
より素敵なお部屋だと思います。
Okay. So now you're at sort of ground level. And wow, 本当に温泉の匂いがしますね。You can really smell the sulfur from the onsen. Wow, this is a really nice bedroom. これモダンの和風の very Japanese modern. Wow, it's like you're staying in a different place. Comfortable. で、こっちはまあ廊下ね。
で、先ほどの硫黄川が下に流れてます。ちょっと遠くなってますけど。
Io River is down below. で、
温泉がそのドアの先ですね。右手から。
Going from here. Okay. Hello. Let's just see the. Oh, 洗濯機もあるんだ。And I have a towel rack, heated. Yep, they have electronic heating of the rack. Toilet. Toilet 2階、1階にもあるんですか？あります。So they have 2 bathrooms, toilets. And then this is the indoor onsen. Wow! ヒノキですね。ここは何なんですか？この温泉と外の間のこれ。
ちょっと暑くなった時にちょっと休憩できます。少し涼しくなって、そちらに椅子もありますので。
So if you're in the onsen for a long time and you get hot, then you can go out there and open up the glass door and kind of cool off a little bit. That's really nice. Okay. So, all right. And 他に何かあったかな？浴衣サムエなんかあるんですか？
サムエもあります。上にあると思います。
そう。はい。わかりました。Okay. You can see the onsen. Oh, the resting area from here. You can actually go in this way to the onsen. Anyway, so now we're going to hike up to the 3rd floor. So this is a view of the bed from this angle. Okay. じゃあ3階ですね。
はい。
Let's go. And so the 3rd floor is a washitsu, means Japanese style room. And so again, here's another look at the kitchen, dining table, rock bath, onsen. You have the fireplace, living area with pretty massive leather sofa and pillows. Enjoy the tall beams. And this is where we came in from. So anyway, so let's go to the. Oh, he says there's another Japanese room. Oh, こっち行ってないよね. We haven't been here. Okay? Oh, so Japanese washitsu with a tatami floor. Very stylish. Oh, look, you can even put your foot in there. Down there. もうついてるのね。はい。And a nice little cylindrical window of a view of nothing but nature. Maybe we'll look out and see it. エゾシカってここら辺にもいるんですか？
います。
Yeah.
はい。
So Ezo deer, native to Hokkaido, maybe. Okay, so going upstairs, you can see. ここにかかってるのはエゾシカなんですか？ Oh, yeah, it's a pretty big head of one. Okay. So. Whoa. So from here you can see the wind pills. Again, they don't use like nails or screws. It's they just fit them in like Tetris. Or if you've been to Kyoto, Kiyomizu Temple. Man, the light's low, so I think it's pretty noisy in this video. これ電気はもう自然の電気だけなんですか？
あとは間接照明。
つけてもらっていいですか？ Is there a light switch? There's natural light coming in. Oh, okay.
はい。
これで見えた。So this is a Japanese room with tatami floor. つまりこれはたくさんの人たちが泊まるときにここに布団をこう出すこと。
そういうこともあります。
Yeah, it's often used for when you have large groups sharing a place where they'll roll out the futon.
人によって瞑想とか。
Yeah, so sometimes they'll do that. Let's see. Okay, and then over here is a bathroom. あれ3階にもある。3階、2階、1階。トイレ、バスルームって3つあったんですか？はい。So there's toilets in all three floors. 便利ね、いちいち行きたいときに。はい。You can see down below. Okay, so that is the room at SHIGUCHI, a new 5-room ryokan in near Niseko in Hokkaido, Japan. Hope you enjoyed it.